Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use online marketplaces to buy or to sell your handmade crafts. Alright, so basically I'll use Gigi for this case. As you can see, when you open up Gigi, they'll ask you what you want to do, what you want to buy. Do you want to buy home appliances, health and beauty, services, sports, babies and kids, and more? So for my case, I want to sell my handmade crafts. I'll come to sell with the plus icon there, and then I'll choose category of what I want to sell. Alright, so in category, I'll search for crafts, okay, art and crafts, and then I'll tap on OK. So I'll need to add some photos of this art and crafts I want to sell, and here is the photo of what I want to sell. So I'll tap on select photos, and then as you can see, the photos have been added. So quickly I'll just add a description and the type, that's a photo. Then the picture size, it's that, and then the size is around 4, and then the condition of the art and craft, it's brand new. Then the price I'm selling it at that price. Then do I want to negotiate? Yes. Then for delivery, I don't do delivery, and that's it. So just tap on post ad and your ad will be posted thereafter. Alright, so that's how it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.